Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950. What I want to do is to show you how to print quality adjustment. Scroll to the side all the way to maintenance. Select OK to maintenance. It will show you print quality adjustment, nozzle check, print head cleaning, power ink. So select OK to print quality adjustment. Select OK to proceed. Adjust to the optimum print quality for the paper used. Also, make sure you load A4 paper on the rear paper tray. Then select Start. Then you take the paper printed out, scan it on the glass scanner, and also make sure this part start from the bottom. So put the paper face down, and also make sure it start from the bottom right. Close the cover, then select Start to scan the document. So it will show you scanning. If you change your mind, select Cancel or Stop. Adjustment is complete. Then you select OK. Then go back to the home page. Then discard the paper. So this is how to print quality adjustment from the control panel. Thank you very much indeed.